Welcome to my channel. Linksys Atlas 6 Setup. Linksys App-based easy setup. Connect your modem or router modem to the Linksys Atlas Pro 6 routers when port using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer, laptop, or mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi network. The default SSID and password should be printed on the router's label. Check for that before making a connection. Download the original Linksys app and install it on your device. Go to the app and create a Linksys Cloud account the very first. Sign into your existing account and select Add Device from the app's main menu. The app will detect your router on its own. Select your router's network and then follow the on-screen instructions to set up your router. You will be asked to set a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Choose a unique name and a strong password that you can easily remember. Connect your device to the newly configured router's network and enjoy a high-performance internet connection all over your home or office. Thanks for watching.